Hello guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a swipe animation inside Canva. A swipe animation is the smooth left to right or right to left motion that you often see in IG carousels. It works because Canva has a feature called Match and Move, which creates a movement between two slides. We'll recreate this effect using free Canva elements, free PNG background removal using remove.pg, simple positioning, and duplication. First thing we need to do is setting up a project. Open Canva and create a new design. Choose Instagram pose. This is perfect for swipe animation and carousel feeds. Next step is you can either use free elements or you can also use the magic media feature in Canva. This is the AI feature. If you want to go for authenticity, I recommend using the magic media by generating your own images or elements. But for this tutorial, let's go ahead and use some of the free elements. So for my first element, let's go ahead and type in cat head. Check all the free graphics and choose one element. Let's resize this. And for another one, let's choose a dog head. Let's go ahead and resize this. Make sure it matches the cat head. And let's rotate it. Let's add some text. Change the background color. Add another text. Once you're done designing your sticker, go ahead and click Share. Then download your sticker. We want the sticker to have a transparent background. If you don't have Canva Premium, you can opt for alternative. Let's go ahead and download this. The tool that we'll be using is remove.pg. I've placed the link in the description so you can go straight to the right page. In remove.pg, go ahead and click Upload Image. Upload your sticker, and the tool will remove the background for you. Go ahead and download the preview. Go back to Canva, and now we'll be creating the swipe animation. So go ahead and add a new page. Change the background color. Add another one, and also change the other one's background color. Now let's upload the sticker that we've created. Alright, let's go ahead and resize this. Duplicate it and paste it into the other page. Let's rotate it to show the dog's head. There we go. If we click the grid view, we can see that we've now set up the pages properly. After which you can now exit the grid view and click on the pages. You'll see an option here where we can add a transition. Click that, and we can now see the match and move animation. Let's go ahead and add this and go to a preview so we can see our transition animation. There we go. We can now see that Canva has animated our elements sliding smoothly. You can fine-tune the motion to make it more smoother. Make sure that the cat dog head is in the exact same position before the movement. Keep the elements identical between slides. Change only the colors plus light position and keep the text size consistent. And lastly, avoid big jumps between slides. The last thing we're going to do is exporting this file. Once again, click share, go to download, and you can export it as an MP4 video for Instagram or export it as a GIF for other platforms. Again, we used free elements for this one. You can also generate your own art or elements to create a viral original animation. Again, you can use the Canva Magic Media, Midjourney, ChatGPT, Bing, and any other AI tools that you prefer. AI gives your content a unique style that stands out. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.